Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 150 USD per every sale in this affiliate marketing by using Shopify. Shopify is one of the top affiliate paying companies that can be helping you to earn passive income when you are home, and also this can help you to boost your passive income, and you have to have also other source of income which can help you to sustain different things. Without wasting time, let's get started. Normally, what we have to do, we have to go into our computer and type for Shopify. After typing for Shopify, we're gonna be getting this platform. You all know Shopify. What is this? And as you can see, it's a system software which started in June 2006. So what we do, we're gonna open this Shopify as a platform, of course itself. After opening Shopify, we're gonna start exploring their services. First of all, if you wanna be doing affiliate marketing, you have to understand what does the affiliate company provide and what the kind of services do the affiliate company provide to the individuals. This is gonna be helping you to understand surely if you can be able to go use that affiliate marketing partner or network, or if you cannot choose to continue with it. This is also having understood the services they provide, having understand different kind of product you're gonna be selling. This is gonna be helping you to have interest, to have area of interest, and to have the customers you're gonna be targeting, who you will be also selling the services or product to. So as you can see, Shopify now provide different kind of services. You can see if you come to solutions page, you're gonna be understand here is you can start your businesses, build your brands. You can be able to create your online store with Shopify. If you click on this, for instance, it's gonna be opening this one which is online store page, where you can be able to start your online store. And also once you get started by creating your online store on this Shopify, you can be able to have your own items listed. You can be able to sell your items also while hosting your store on Shopify directly. So they have different kind of templates, they have different kind of tools which you can be able to use, which you can be able to depend on and create your own Shopify affiliate link and also affiliate page. So if you have this one as a source store, you can even also have your custom domain. If you can be able to see here, this is where you can be able to have your own custom domain name where you can link it with your store. As you can see, you can be even able to get a free trial for 3 days by using all the features for free. Also, let's try to explore the pricing sections. If you come here, you can sell online, sell across channels. You can be able to market your businesses, market across social medias. You can be able to chat with the customers, know your audience, measure your performance, sell wholesale or direct. Also explore free business tools. You can own your site domain, as I was saying. So now let's try to see the pricing sections of this platform. So after seeing the pricing sections, this is gonna be helping you to understand how much money for sure you will be able to pay, or how much money which the audience you're gonna be referring will be able to pay to be able to earn money on this platform. So as you can see, after having this one, having done this, what you do is to come here and select the pricing section, start for free, then enjoy 1 month for 3 months. So we can get started. This is also a very amazing feature that you can be able to use. So you can be able to get started and start for free in 3 days. 3 days you're gonna be using features for free. Then after 3 days, you come and purchase the package you have selected. You'll be paying 1 USD for every single month. This means you are trying the services. You can see 3 months, 1 USD for 3 months, 1 USD for 3 months. And also if you come here below, and also here available on 1 or 3 year term. This one is available on 1 or 3 year term. So now you can be able to come and read the features you'll be having accessed So this is the card rate starting 2%, this is the card rate starting 1% commission, this is the card rate starting for 0.6 third party payments. These are also the payment providers that we have provided to you to be able to receive payment for on your own online store that you have been purchased. You can have 10 inventory locations, you can have 10 inventory location as well. So you can have 24/7 chat support. 24/7 chat support is enhanced. You can also have localized global selling, 3 markets. You can have POS right and the POS right. You can see POS right is available to all the plans. So this is the most popular, which is the basic for solo entrepreneurs who is also small entrepreneurs or single entrepreneur, and also this growth plan for small teams. You can either decide to go to grow plans or to go to solo entrepreneurs. It all depends on which one you're gonna be selecting. So it depends on the one you're selecting is gonna be helping you. So however, this is different because you can see I'm in annual package. If I go to a monthly package, you can see I'm gonna be having this one. So 2772 and also 399 USD and 2000. This is gonna be also for one who is gonna be getting one or 3 year term. This is gonna be getting this one, and also can be able to have much support. So now let's go to affiliate page. And so after understanding the pricings, after the services, we always have to go to the affiliate marketing page and see how much money you can be able to make, and also how we can be able to get started to start making money. So what I do, I have to scroll down to the bottom. You can see those are the same pricings. They have also the alternative solutions for your businesses. You can also do starter for this one, 5 USD, and so you can be able to sell instantly through social media and messaging apps or simple online store. This you're gonna be sell instantly. However, this retail is in person selling tools with advanced staff, inventory, and the loyalty features. And also this is a custom pricing where you build agility, speed to deployments, and performance for enterprises, organizations as well. So you have to scroll down to the bottom and also check this page, which is called affiliate. You can see this affiliate link. I have to click on it. Once I click on affiliate link, I'm gonna be direct to the affiliate marketing page. You can see become a Shopify affiliate, earn a commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. So here is what you can see. You can be able to apply now. So now if you come here, you can see Shopify plan referrals get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. This is also how, if you're gonna be referring someone to come and sell on Shopify, you're gonna be also making money, making commission as well. So you can be able to read this one and you see this is the merchant location. This is the amount of money you're gonna be paid. If someone is from India, you pay 25. I think it's the one which is small. If it's from Japan, Italy, you paid 10. Also these are 125 from these countries, among these countries. So if some seller is from these countries, also you're gonna be getting paid 25 USD. You can be reading through all these terms or these conditions to understand for sure if you can be able to and also this will help you, because once you are started with the affiliate marketing platform, you will be able to understand that someone is from this country, I will be expecting this amount of money, and someone is from this country, I will be expecting this amount of money. You can see 150 Brazil to 10 USD. Now let's now see if you go to mobile ready. So now Shopify point of sales, you can see pro referrals. Now that you earn up to 150 USD per sale. It's also the same as the payout plans you have said. So what we do now is to join affiliate program and you click here. Because you want to apply, you have to click apply now. So once you click on the apply now section, it's gonna be opening the application page where I have to fill out information. As you see, this is working with the impact.com. So because to work with the impact.com, what you need, of course, you need to have impact account, or if you don't have one, you have to sign up as well. So what I need to do, I need to click on sign up, and also once I click on sign up, they are bringing me the contract terms for Shopify. I have to read through them. Once I am done reading through them or through all of them, I have to come here and also accept the terms and conditions. Once I accept the terms and conditions, also I have to click next. As you see, I'm requested to be signing up with my my impact.com account. If I don't have one, I have to sign up with the email or Gmail account. Once you're done, also you can be able to get started in making money online by also referring people to come and having their online stores to Shopify, or purchasing different tools, different software tools that are available on Shopify. Once they bought those items, you're gonna be getting paid such amount of money as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it to our friends, and turn the button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.